Okay, this question is testing your understanding about the application of forces in this compression spring. Okay, can you see this diagram here? If the spring is very loose, the spring can be compressed easily. A weight with lighter, an object with lighter weight will be able to compress the spring more easily. Okay, so you look at this graph here. Okay, firstly, you see the vertical axis. What does the vertical axis shows? Chloe, can you tell me the vertical axis?
Huh?
What does the vertical axis shows? This is called the vertical axis. What it shows? This thing.
Oh, spring C compress the most.
No. What does it indicate? The vertical axis shows this one.
This
Can you
one's
read out this?
length of spring.
Okay, so length of spring, can you tell me, Joven, are all the spring the same length?
Yes, almost.
Yes, right. Yeah, what is the original length?
80 gram.
80 gram. Not 80 gram, hello, you give the wrong unit. Length. Huh? Centimeter, original length. So actually you can put here OL, original length equals to 80 cm, quite long, according to this graph. Original length. So if you can now you look at the horizontal axis. Yanqi, the horizontal axis represent what?
What?
The horizontal axis, what does it represent?
The horizontal axis,
Yeah.
the mass of the
Whatever object. Because here is talking about they want to capture the birds that lands there. Okay, so can you see as the mass increases, right? What happened to the length of the spring?
The length of string also increase.
Increase or decrease? See carefully.
Decrease, sorry.
Decrease. Length of spring decrease. Okay, length of spring decrease. Okay, so down here, the length of the spring decreases. Can you see? So which one decreases the most? Which one decreases the most? A, B, C, which one decreases the most? Hey, tell me. Chloe, which one decreases the most?
Decrease.
Yeah, that means shorten the most. Which one? A, B, or C?
D.
Huh?
D.
There's no D. Hello.
C.
C. Okay. C decrease the most. So you see, for example, at this mass 70, right? 70. At 70 gram, the length of spring C becomes what? Becomes like 50 something. Okay. Length of spring B is slightly higher. Okay, maybe this value. Okay, then A, A is at this A is here. So you understand that this means the spring C is not as stiff as the rest. Okay, so now you come back to this question. They say, based on a finding, right? Based on this person finding, which spring should Davy use to replace the spring in the setup to take photograph of small animal? There's small animal. So small animal meaning what? They have lighter mass, right? So I want the spring to be more sensitive. So you put spring C. Okay, understand? Can someone read the answer? Maybe I ask Chloe. Can you read out the answer?
Spring C.
Yeah.
Spring C is the most elastic as it compresses most when the same mass was added. Do I say the use of data?
Which one?
No,
Use the data. No need.
okay. Lesser force or lesser weight is needed for point P and Q to make contact.
Yes, thank you. So first of all, you must identify the correct spring. Okay, you identify the correct spring. Understand? Okay. Secondly is what you have to explain. what's the explanation? You must say that spring C is most elastic. You can still say, because they say most elastic. Right? Most elastic means, okay, the other word for most elastic is the least stiff. Stiff means very hard. Okay? You can say spring C is the most elastic, or you can say spring C is the least stiff. So it compresses most when the same mass was added. So you must put the compresses most. Because there are 3 springs, so you must use the superlative to compare. You know, superlative, the most one or the least. Okay, then the last part, less weight or less force is needed for point P and Q to make the contact. Does it form the closed circuit? Understand? Closed circuit. So this one you understand, right? This one. So you repeat, you go back to the picture and see. Because if you use a least stiff spring, when you put on the weight, right? The weight is there. This can be compressed easily. So these 2 points will be easily form a closed circuit. That's why they can take capture the image of the animal here. Okay now? All of you okay now? Joven, you okay, Joven?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I continue to explain the next part. Okay. Good.